Okay, welcome to the Diwan Trade. I'm Diwan. So, um, this channel is for my personal day trade recap. So it not only records my trading actions and operations, versus the real-time price action, but also my appearance and mental status, and for me to reflect on my mental control or psychology, self-discipline. So today is December 11th, 10:03 a.m. PST. Let's see. Looks like yesterday's FOMC meeting and suddenly it goes to a new high. I'm not sure if this is a new high, but on this chart, this 15-minute chart, it is. I guess it's not because there's a resistance line here, and just drawing falling draw in the Asian session and consolidate in London session, and in London session it bounce back, draw at opening market and bounce back. So in this way, I think this trend line is still effective. Yeah, on 15-minute range, this trend line is effective. But on ES, ES is more complicated. So it looks like this is the trend line, and we'll probably have a new trend line. Yeah, we'll see if this is a new trend line. On this 15-minute something is almost in parallel. Let's see 5-minute. So this morning, oh, this is volatility and consolidation drops to this something. Oh, let's see. Drops to here. Okay, it's another support and double bottom, double bottom, and get pump up. So okay, the trend line is far away. The trend line is somewhere here. So probably I'm not sure if we're gonna go up because this ends up to be a previous support, and it could be a, it seems it's validated to be an effective resistance after it breaks out. Yeah, it's a effective resistance bounce back. But this time it's like daggering. It only bounced back here, and it can be seen as a retest to previous resistance. This is becomes the new support and bumping up. If we bumping up somewhere here, this is 600. What about here? Almost 100. Okay. Okay. Then if this ends up to be uptrend, then we'll wait until it retest to yen 21 and we do a long trade because this is aligned with our setup. Um, like consolidation and breakout, something, breakout and retest and up. Let's look at ES. For ES is already okay. For ES is already um at this trend line. So we'll see how it reacts. While for NQ, there is some distance like 100 point. For ES, it's we already see this trend line here. So we'll see. If it breaks out the trend line, then probably we can go long with NQ. What about 3-minute? Yeah, 3-minute also shows a high, but we'll see. Oh, 3. This reduced to normal. Like 3. Um, 5. We'll be conservative, like 5. Okay. Let's see ES. Yeah, we try ES chart to trade NQ again. Because ES is something, if we trade NQ, we will probably wait until it arrives here. But for ES, we can see if it breaks out, then we can conclude something. Uh, patient. Chances are that it gets rejected by this line. This is the proven trend line, and this is proven price level. Looks like 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Yes, it's go up a lot, while NQ does not go up so much. C, yes, has breakout to new high, but NQ today is this one is the upper bar of the trend line, which maps this one 4:30 a.m. and 4:30 a.m. Yeah. So ES has an intention of going up, but NQ is just middle. Middle. Oh, let's see. Don't rush. Because ES is not close above. It's not close above the trend line. So we'll see, wait for the completion. It's very easy to get trapped by the fake breakout. Yeah, so chances are that we're gonna go long at the ceiling, something like this. Yes. So we see a meaningful rejection, then we can sell. Because we see a rejection at the trend line, we go short here. And if it exceeds this one, create a higher high, then we can probably, if we close above this line, we can probably like exit the trade. Let's see. Okay, get into a trade. That does not look good. It looks like it's gonna continue to go up. Oh. Or we can see yes. If yes ends up like close above the trend line or something, then probably we will try to drag the average price. This validates that the rejection is effective, and this bias trying to make another attack and test. Okay, it arrives here for the second time. See if it succeeds at this time. Oh, it breaks out. Yes, breaks out. Let's see 3 minute. What about 3 minute? We see bull candle. This is a consolidation and keeps going up. but it's still not creating higher high. But for ES, it's already breaking out and close. Will you close? There will be a lot of RSI. See, this price action is obviously higher than this, but the RSI level is equal. And this one is something and it close a little bit higher high. So it's not that obvious. The RSI divergence, there is a minor micro RSI divergence for the upper. Okay, approximately this price action is above this one. So the RSI level is lower than this. That's fair. That's compliant. Oh, that's compliant. Okay, it looks like the trend line rejection is effective as well. But overall, this is an uptrend. You see the ENA 9 is above the ENA 21. So it's very intimidating to go short something. But we see obvious. We see ES encounter the trend line. And not sure about NQ, how NQ will perform. If this NQ 5-minute candle cover this one and consolidate the downtrend, that would be great. Then we can set out the trading stop loss. Let's see. Oh, ES has already covered the first upward candle. Cover the second. Then let's confirm downtrend. Let's confirm the effective rejection. Once it retests to ENA 9, we need to probably set a trading stop loss because it could bounce back upon triggering ENA 9. I'm not sure. And same thing for NQ. I mean, when ES trigger arrive at ENA 9, then I'll set a trading loss on NQ chart. This is, yeah, I look at the ES chart to trade NQ. See if ENA 9 defense at this time. ENA 9 defense and trend line just push down, ENA 9 push down, that's gonna be a buyer seller even. Then we probably need to leave the trade. Oh, it does not even arrive at ENA 9. Then you get pushback. 3 more minutes. No worry. ES has covered the second. Is it covered? Almost. Almost. Oh, get bounce back. Come on, ES. Show the seller defense. Okay, even with the second upward candle. Look at here. It's even. Okay, it covers. Oh, get rejected by yen and I. Come on. Guess what? I need to step something here. This is my stop loss. Hmm. Oh, it cannot go up. It cannot go down. It cannot go up. Buyer and seller are still even. It looks like seller is trying to push hard for this candle. See if he can cover. One more minute. As long as he can cover this upward candle and fine. If he cannot, then I'll look at the next candle. If he exceeds to here, then I will probably quit. I get pushback. Keep trying. For ES, is simply cover the first upward candle, the most recent. See this one, keep covering, keep going down. But where ES, the downward candle is big, then the NQ downward candle is small. God. Oh, it keeps going up. That does not look right. NQ is making a higher high than the previous candle, where ES is not there. It's not fully recovered yet. So I trust the yes. I always trust the yes to indicating the future trend because it has bigger trading volume and more deterministic. But it really depends. It really depends on which one gets outbreak. That's why I set the stop loss here. Hmm. Oh, it outperform. Outperform. It looks like it's going up. It's gonna kick me out of the trade. Can you close above the trend line? This is a resistance level. So if you arrive at a new a higher high, that means something. So if we draw the trend line here, that this trend line is respected, then only when it breaks out the downside, breaks out this trend line, then we can go short, which is more conservative solution. Um, and let's see if we draw the trend line this way. If we draw the trend line, you see, okay, flag, gray, and back retest trend line, and reject it, and back downward. backward. Oh, what happened? What happened? It looks like it returns so much. I almost disappear. Okay, I'm gonna kick out. But it seems like this is a liquidity, a small liquidity, like trying to trap somebody to go long. And so this trend line defense is effective. Okay, let's go. See if you can break out, break this ENA 9. If yes, I will set a trading stop loss here. I'll see how you close. Oh, you get rejected by the ENA 9. That's not good. That's not good. Then buyers resume. Buyers keep going up, which means the ENA 9 defense is effective and not that strong. I will see, okay, it's strong. Immediately bump up, but at this time we cannot conclude that the buyer wins and seller lose. They are just even, fighting even at this boundary. Oh, buyer behavior is strong. For ES, the upward part has not cannot cover the previous downward candle. So a little bit of downward. This is an aggressive entry, so um, a lot of back and forth. And I'll set a very small stop loss distance. Double top, or you just continue up. Sellers are working hard. Oh, what happened? Sellers trying to challenge the ENA 9 again. And probably this is a validated resistance. So I will probably like set a take profit here. Let's see ES, how ES behave. Okay, this is the ENA 21. You're gonna challenge ENA 21. We'll see. If that's the case, I can move the trading stop loss to here. Make sure I'm not loose. Or maybe make it even. Because it has breakout. Obviously it's breakout. To here. Okay. Here is where the support is verified. We'll see. Maybe it gets rejected at ENA 9, and this is the lowest point. I'm not sure. But it looks like, yeah, it gets rejected. Oh, if it triggers my stop loss, I'll quit this trade. This is not funny. Back to ENA 9. Okay, sellers are trying. again. Uh, Maybe I should see a 3 minute and use a 3 minute chart to set the trailing stop loss. Oh, it cannot retest to this high. Keep going down. Mm-hmm. Oh, maybe just get pushed back. What about seller? Okay, seems like this is the end. Get rejected by ENA 21. Hmm. I mean, that's fair. If we push back to my stop loss, then probably means a potential reversal. Then I should quit the trade. I don't have any complaint, any greedy. But if it keeps going down and break the ENA 21, that really means something. So 13 point. Oh, for ES is at around ENA 20, ENA 9. Pushback. That means the uptrend resume. But you need to break, obviously break this level. Oh, even this is the retest because this is previous resistance. See, so anywhere around here, it will be bounce back. Oh, oh, it keeps going down. Great. Keep going. ES keeps going down, but NQ shows some support at ENA 21. It gets bounce back on ENA 21. Oh, to the lower bound of this one. This is the maximum possible retest I can imagine. I'm a little bit greedy, but well, So if it keeps breakout, keep going down after this part, we can always find some retest to go in. Don't worry. The bottom line is here, so we still have a lot of space right here. I think it's 590, 590, 460. Okay, 130 point. Yeah, we have enough space. But it seems like okay, yes, got rejected by Yen 21. While NQ NQ is has not even arrived at Yen 21. Potential potential reversal. Sellers try again. Some buyers are defending right there. Hmm. Let's see 3 minute. Okay, is consolidation here. Oh, you're gonna kick me out. Oh, kick me out. Kick me out. Buyers resume. Yeah, we need to figure out the trend line. That means trend is ending. But at least we don't lose money. Yeah, that's what I can see. What I can say. We don't lose money. And should we go in? See if it exists this line. And see yes, check yes. It seems like this trend line is effective. And here, we'll see if it close above. Okay, show some momentum. Oh, this is 3 minute. What about 5 minute? Come on, you wanna retest the consolidation area? Just leave me behind. Come on, I'm stuck. Maybe I just need to trade like, oh, yes, also breakout. What's going on? Be patient. No FOMO. It will retest. Always will retest. It will always retest. Keep telling myself this. Yeah, here. And the second thing will probably be here. Hmm. You'll always retest, right? CES. Uh, okay, I'm gonna lose this trade because I keep my principle. Never trace the breakout. I wait for the retest. So I'm gonna lose this trade. That's okay. This is like 0.4, yeah. So actually I should be set here, which is 0.6. Hmm. What about yes? Yes. Yes, trying to break out. Can you? Oh, oh, oh. Leave me alone. NQ is showing strong momentum. I gonna miss this trade. Nobody. So it's uptrend confirmed. I should go long. But this shows like it's going down. Nobody knows. Okay, you're gonna bump out like with a strong upward momentum like this. I'm not gonna go long here. Anytime it will. If I'm gonna go long, then maybe I gonna trace with one. Gets rejected. Anyway, I'm not gonna go long because it can retest anytime. Okay, only one here. Uh, one micro because this is risky, so I reduce my position. We'll see if it retests to here. That's why. Okay, it retests. Yeah, it's trying to lure me. Mm. It's trying to trap me. Good thing is I only have one micro contract. No, it's not trying. It keeps going. So when it reaches the trend line, I'll probably close this position, or maybe 10 points. I'll close this position. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That means I probably would not need this one. How come it suddenly have this? A finish consolidation in breakout, that's reasonable. But another thing is a force back. And when you break out, if you trace the breakout, chances are that so I should go long around here because it's already breakout and retest and show a covering candle, which which fits my setup. So actually, but when you break out, it reaches the resistance level when you show the retest. That's by coincidence? I don't know, but this is I don't know. So that's why I hesitate. This is may not be a retest. This is like a reversal. As overall, it falls down like this. Something. We'll see. Okay. 14 point, 15 point. When you arrive to a new high, I just close this position. Oh, you cannot move up. Come on. Sell. Like one. At the trend line, then I just quit. Okay, keeps going up. Consolidation a lot. Come on. You're just so close to my take profit. Oh, what happened to yes, yes, already fall back. Gonna retest? That's not good because it's almost the trend line. So near this trend line, it's possible that this is a reversal rather than a retest. But if this is your consolidation, keep going up a little bit. Let me take profit, please. Now you consolidate a lot, huh? You want to retest ENI? No. Yeah, keep going. Keep going a little bit. I believe you can do it to the trend line, right? Oh, yes, keeps showing downward intention. But when yes showing becomes green, that means the buyer completely control the market. See, NQ is trying to go up all the time. Oh, with such consolidation, yes, cannot cover the whole thing, the whole candle, while NQ still shows upward. Oops, things are not correct. Covers the previous upward candle. Is it a fake breakout? Is it fake? It retests to PNA9. We'll see. Hmm. Okay, it can bounce back. So this is a retest. Hmm. Retest to ENA9. ENA9 will catch up for years. But for NQ is the price action is literally a little bit far away from ENA9. So it simply shows a strong momentum to go up. Hmm. Sellers are trying again. Cannot cover the whole upward candle. So buyers are still control the market. When the position is a little bit small, then you have a lot of patience. So even it goes the reverse direction, you have some opportunity grab the grab the average price and then wait for the retest to exit in the profit trade, in the winning trade. Oh, it keeps going down. How come? If it's just two candle, then probably this is a fake breakout. NQ arrive at the NQ arrive at the trade at the trend line where yes, a little bit fake break count the trend line and it starts reversal. But we'll see. So this is FVG. See if it retests FVG. And we would like to move this one to order block. And you arrive at ENA9, we'll buy to grab the average entry position and see if you can get trigger. Oh, oh, it does not even arrive here. Bounce back. But the seller may try it again. Now, the downward candle overall it covers the most recent upward candle. It means at least it's in the retest, and the retest is not ending. How much do we make for the first trade? Trade $16. Okay. PNL $16. Realize. Oh, it gets triggered. Let's see if we can trigger this one. Uh, this is a little bit dangerous. If it arrives here, then probably this is the last defense. And we cannot bet that it resumes uptrend. Once it back to somewhere that are profitable for a trade, retest to somewhere, then we're gonna quit the trade and observe for the next trend symptom. Now let's see if we can retest to ENA 21. Yeah, let's set at ENA 21. Keep going. Oh, ENA 9 gonna defend. See here. So for ES is arrive this trend line. See if it breaks this trend line. All this trend line gonna still effective because before that it has some effective something. So observe this candle. If it close above this trend line, then yeah, this trend line is still effective. Otherwise, then we need to think of XC strategy with some minor profit. Oh, it looks like some defense buyers are trying to resume control. But it's too early to say that. We probably need to observe the complexion very close. But yes, has already show a green symptom. Sellers are sellers are firm, working hard. Huh? Let's try to add one more position. Okay, that's it. CES if it close above the trend line. Hmm. That's why gradually pick add position and grab the average entry price without making the position too big to make it like a gambling. Let me see if you can reach ENA. Oh, yes, can break this trend line. It looks like this is a fake breakout, and this is like trend line rejection. Oh, this upward momentum candle just cheating me. We'll see. Now it's ENA 21. See if the defense is effective. Okay, some defense around here. We don't know. Let's wait for the completion of this candle. One more minute. One more minute. If we close something, then we can move this complementary order something here because we confirm that this is what this candle can arrive and some effective rejection defense buyer defense here. But if it breaks out, one more minute, let's see. Oh, new candle. See if it keeps going down or up. If if it keeps going down, then probably need to move this something. Okay. The ES has not break out like close underneath the trend line, which means the trend line is still at this time. Trend line it seems it's still effective and it's battling. Trend line is trying to defend. See, it becomes green now or then. So it's still battling. There is no result at this time. Oh, I think there's some result. See, outbreaks. So breaks. So this retest just get back to in somewhere in the middle of ENA 9 and 21. And for previous something is backtest to ENA 21. That's why we set a complementary order somewhere here. And yeah, before that is downtrend. The ENA 9 is under ENA 21. And this is the first time you retest after the trend reverse. This is the second time. That means the price action is moving to the upside. Three. Oh, three. Oh, okay, resume uptrend. The retest is ending because the upward candle covered the previous. This is the ideal setup. So if we do not have this uptrend, then we probably need to set a limit order here. But now we have already a long trade. So just control the position size so we don't commit any trade. And with this, we can move, just in case, we can move the complementary trade here, just in case it retests somewhere to here. It seems the trend line on ES, the trend line is still effective defense. Yeah. Hmm. Trading is not easy. So all these adjustment and all these add position and control the size are a trading plan or a trading strategy. We just execute it. Hmm. Oh, you're gonna one huge candle to fulfill the sideways range. It's 3 minutes. Okay, we have 2 minutes. We'll see if we get resisted here. Mm-mm-mm. See if this time you will arrive at the trend line. Oh, it falls back. Looks like seller resume control. That's not good. I will think of this as a retest and keep going up because this candle has already covered. But what's bad thing is like it just retests the FVG. So it's reasonable if this is just a retest and keep going down. On the bigger picture, then if it's a double top, then you should arrive at the trend line for the second time to try to trap somebody going long. I just be there. Mm-hmm. Mm. See if the trend line is still effective. Mm. See, yes, if the trend line is effective, that's very critical criteria to check. If it doesn't hold, then that means something. If it still holds, then we have full belief that it will keep going up, at least arrive at the trend line and see the next action. Okay, retest ENA 9. Oh, yes, breakout to the downside. But NQ half. This is only the like retest. But yes, already breakout. Oh, that's not good. So we'll adjust this one to ENA 21. We should never move it because this is supposed to be our last defense. Mm. On the bigger picture, okay, this is in the trend line, but it's already breakout of the trend line. So it's some on the from this point of view, it's just retest the trend line and need to go up theoretically. Retest the trend line and go up. But if it breaks out, close underneath this one, which is this line, and that means something. Trend reversal, this is not a retest. And this line should hold. If it breaks out this line, that means we need to go short. If we are not in the trade, that if it breaks this line, we need to go short. So I'll probably leave the trade. Either way, I mean, this is just the last defense. So before I leave, I'll add something. So once you really test, then we just quit. Hey, we just quit. Yes, it's trying to break out the chain line. There are two chain line right there. We'll see. But NQ wants to go up. I can tell. So I see it's green candle, but yes, shows red candle. Hmm. Oh, looks like it's really retest the trend line. For NQ, the ENA9 performs a very nice defense. Nobody can break out the ENA9. But for what about yes, okay. The 15-minute trend line performs some defense. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hey, yes. Still like battling. Buyer and seller still battling. I don't see any green. Something. Uh, maybe I should see like 3 minute. What about 3 minute? Oh, see, 3 minute already shows some green something. Get pushback something. So we can see in 3 minute, then the 15-minute trend line is defending. Nobody can close underneath this line. That's what I like to see. But for 3 minute, the ENA9 is trying to coming close to ENA21. Let's see this. O is trying in NQ is it becomes parallel. But in 5 minutes, it's still parallel, always parallel. That means the retest is ending. We are not sure if the ENA9 can eventually cross the ENA21. That means something. Okay, 2 more minutes. We'll see. Slow market. Mm. Oh, buyers just resume. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Yes. So for NQ is obviously an uptrend, but for NQ is still like sideways consolidation. There's no breakout something. Oh, okay. Buyer reduce control. So I guess I can make a oh 3 here. I don't need this. Instead, I'll put a stop loss here. Yeah, this is my stop loss. Make sure if you come back, I will never lose. Well, I mean, I will not make too much, but at least I will never lose. But I think you're gonna go up directly. You sideways consolidation around here for so long. Oh my God, I almost want to give up. If I don't have some complementary, some backup plan here, I just give up. Now, after consolidation, go ahead. Yeah. Oh, you want to consolidate? I think you consolidate here. Now you just need to stretch a little bit and consolidate somewhere around here or somewhere around here. So please go stretch. Do your stretch. Yeah, if I use 3 minute to for the trading stop loss, that's more that I can trade more tightly. See, in this way, I can trade around here. Go, keep going. Go, keep going. At least you will reach the trend line, right? You get rejected by the trend line. Really? For ES, at least you will reach equal high. For NQ, at least you will reach the trend line. That's my hypothesis. Cause what about higher high? What about double top? Come on. What about chat people to go long? Come on. 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes. I can keep going a little bit. Oh, take profit gets triggered. Yeah, stretch, consolidation, and nice stretch. Thank you very much, Maki. Oh my God, cow. Oh, what's that? What's that? Okay, this is already very, very good. I mean, way better than the previous 2 days. Each day is like, um, each day is like 100 or something. Now I get 200 and see if we can get 300. But forget about this breakout. We're gonna check the next setup. So redraw the trend line. Okay, for now this trend line is respected. Hmm. This trend line is respected and there is a minor consolidation, something here. If we draw the trend line for this 5 minute, then it breaks out. Then we need to, after you retest, we can go long around here. I think we go long around here is like from here, gradually grab it back. So the average price is somewhere here for some reason. So starting from some small position and during a breakout and retest, we gradually um, add a position to adjust the average entry price. In this way, as long as it's just a retest, then we have something. But if it's a reversal going down directly, then we have our boundary. Like if it triggers our three micro contract something, then we don't think okay how much we can make. We just think okay as long as it makes like $2, $3, P, it's better than lose. You just wait for the retest. We just wait for the retest. The assumption is that once it triggers ENA 21, that it should be a retest somewhere, severe retest. Then it will hopefully be above our average entry price and quit. Yeah, quit the trade. Yeah, it seems like the RSI divergence is more obvious, but I hate this. Now I hate this one because it's not easy to cover it. Once the downward candle cover it, then it conceals most of the range, and there's not a big range. But I think it has set out a new boundary, which means this 15-minute trend line is effective. So as long as it does not close up underneath here, that means it's defending on 15 minute. So it's great to have a large time frame, big time frame trend line because the bigger the time frame, the stronger and more powerful the trend line gonna be. So we'll see. Force back, maybe force back and get defending. I'll see. If it shows a covering candle like this, then I will probably go long somewhere. But for this one, forget about it. Even one micro contract, I will not commit to it. Yeah. Oh. Let me see what's my progress on. So realize something like this. What about total P&L and find distribution? Distribution drop down is 24991, which means I only have $9 for the trading stop loss. Okay, this is one criteria I want to control. See here, even I make something, then I lose like more than $100 in the trading. Even it's trigger my something because my position is too big. But here, yeah, only $9. That's totally fine. That's great. That's great. Oh, so how to deal with the trading stop loss? This is my way. Just evaluate this and not a big position. Gradually add position. Make sure every trade, regardless of if we get the right direction, if our trade direction is aligned with the market direction or not. Just this is the strategy. You just execute it and you win with more or less money. If it's aligned, make sure we make at least like $200. But if it's the market direction is not correct, it's not aligned with our trade direction, then make sure at least we make two, three, four, $5. Uh, okay. We'll see. Now it keeps going on. Obviously, not a good time to go long. I want to go long. We got some lessons. So if we go long, one micro contract or some position that's one third or one fourth of your normal range, um, of your normal size. But otherwise, we prefer to wait for it to retest to ENA somewhere between ENA 9 and ENA 21. Come on, start retesting. Otherwise, I just observe you to go out to the moon. Yeah, I will. If you go directly straight out to the moon, then I just observing here and no more trade for the rest of today. Unless you retest back to somewhere very close to ENA 21. Oh, oh. Well, this is a large time frame, and this is the trend line for the large time frame. Oh my God, becomes defense. This is ridiculous because this is very easy to be perceived as a fake break. Oh, you just sees a little bit. Keep in mind the trend line is a range, and it falls back, so the trend line rejection becomes effective and falls back to the lower bound of the trend line, which is somewhere around here. So we'll see this one. We want to see some obvious pattern or setup. Either the trend line rejection becomes effective or the trend line becomes the new defense. It keeps going up. Dun, dun. Okay, it's in the resistance level, so be very careful at this. Even you show some momentum up down, don't go long. Otherwise, you will have great risk to go long at the bottom, at the ceiling. Oh, go long at the ceiling. Get some more water. Oh, some Chinese. Okay, it's uptrend, so I cannot go short. It will be risky to go short. Even if we see 15 minutes is at a resistance level that has been verified multiple times before. So we cannot go short, but we cannot go long because it's at a ceiling. Chances are that anytime the trend line rejection will work and push down. So what we do is like when we can go short, it's like it generates some covering candle, downward covering candle, cover maybe this one, something to confirm the effectiveness of this ceiling trend line, 15-minute trend line, and bounce back to the expected to be at a lower bound of this channel. When we can go long, it obviously break out and then retest. Here it shows the upward trend. Then here after we see the upward confirmation, we can go long from there. Ah. Oh, 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 oh. So it already exists. If we draw it this way, it seems it already exists. This one we only cover the solid candle. And what about? Well, actually, I just need to make it longer. I cannot make it longer. Oh, actually, the length is determined by this line, but we don't need to something the line something here, something here. So, um, yeah. So at this time, trend line is the trend channel, 15-minute trend channel is something like this. So we'll see it obviously break out. I mean, this is another distribution. You need to break out at this level. 714. Break out here, retest here, and we'll see. But if you want to play, you want to gamble, you want to bet, okay, just reduce your size. For example, 1 micro contract. I'm not gonna do it. Boom, boom, boom. Uh, if it retest somewhere, if it retest somewhere between ENA 9 and 21, something like this, and then shows an upward covering candle like this, then I will put a limit order at the upper side of the previous, at the order block. Let me put it this way, at the entry of the order block, put a long limit order here. So in that way, we don't necessarily need to wait for on 15 minutes something it breaks out somewhere here and break out. That we have only like less than 90 minutes for until market close. Then probably we don't have enough time to wait for this setup to appear. Oh, and if market goes like this, chances are that we don't have time to enter into a trade. See this way. It arrives at the next consolidation. Ah, yeah, and we take profit right before it enters into the consolidation. Battling though, and we'll see. Oh, let's draw the trend line. So draw the trend line here. Wait. In that way, we can see gradually the upward momentum becomes decrease. This is another pattern. So, and it's at the ceiling. So we'll see. We'll see. Oh, it looks like after consolidation, it keeps moving up. Mm. To go long at this is very risky. Trace the trace the breakout will probably get checked by fake breakout. But if you don't trace, then probably you miss this trade. So just miss this trade. Okay, we're gonna miss this trade, but this is the consolidation. See, aggregate. And the original trend is like, let's see the big trend going down, going down and going down, and it outbounce. Oh, what happened? It keeps going up. Oh, okay. Stick to our principle. Wait for it retest to somewhere between ENA 9 and ENA 21. Just let it pass. Do not FOMO. Keep telling myself, do not FOMO. What's going on? Hmm. From ES, this is like oh god damn, why is it so difficult to draw the trend line? See something like this. And trend line is something like this. Okay, breakout to the upside. Yes, it's breakout. So maybe reduce position. Is it possible that this is a fake breakout? I will see the trading volume. Okay, so small. And this is like, okay, it's not worth the risk. Forget about it. Forget about it. I want to set a limit order somewhere here. But I think it could probably be a fake breakout. Level me to go long and it draws back because this pattern, the upward the upward momentum becomes increasingly smaller and smaller. So I'm waiting for something like this, like a downward covering candle. And once it break out, the volume is so small. Okay, the volume is small anyway, becoming smaller and smaller. See, it does not really break out. Oh, oh, does not really break out. So it ends up to be a fake breakout, huh? And try the second time. Bias try the second time, but it looks like the upward momentum just keep decreasing. I want to wait for the final confirmation. Just there's no patience, something like that. I just follow my criteria. Wait for the completion and see a downward. And if we want to go long, dot, 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 why? If after multiple trying, then it cannot break, that means something because it's actually in the resistance zone, selling zone somewhere here. See, starting from here to here. This is a selling zone that has been validated, and this is the support zone. Some battering here. See, battering. In this is in London session, I believe, battering and then break out to the upside. And still battering here for session for our New York session, which is approximately around here. So we'll see. Oh, this resistance level is also verified by New York session, and the London session is something this one that is respected by this is respecting this trend line. It breaks a lot of this trend line, but we'll see. That's why I'm so hesitate to go long. It looks like it's trying to consolidate and accumulate power and break out to the upside. But no, if after multiple trial, it still cannot break out to the outside, always break out, that means something. See, it does not make a higher high at this time. Yes, NQ keeps getting rejected. Oh, oh, so cold. December in San Francisco. Yeah, I don't have money, so I shut down the heater. They try to make some money to pay for my heater, pay for my utility. Not easy. Mark all as read. Delete all. Boom, 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 boom. Oops. Oops. Okay. It break out. It break out. It break out. But NQ does not break out. But ES has already break out. Should I go long for NQ? What's the ES something? Oh, yes, just break out and reach the resistance level. Don't get fooled. What's that? A70. Okay, A70 battering field. But this is resistance level. So just be careful. Hmm. Of course, I will not go short here. Even arrives at a resistance level, it just arrives. Maybe this time is super strong. Phew, sky to the moon. So I will not. And it seems somebody is trying to go short, just observing this resistance level. I mean, even we see a big, huge candle like this, you still have time to make a limit order at the upper bow of somewhere here. So no worry. So we will see a covering candle and then make a limit order somewhere here. Oh, let's see. It's just a retest, so you're gonna you're gonna reverse the trend. Somebody is selling just because it arrives at the resistance level. Oh, don't make early conclusion before the completion of the candle. Let's leave it a little while. Yeah, wait for the completion of the candle. Oh, it's at the upper bow. Hmm. Hmm. I want to go short. I'm waiting for confirmation. Chances are that Even you think, okay, based on technical analysis, that it should go down, but it probably would not if there's no confirmation. You could wait for like 30 minutes, 1 hour, or maybe 3 hour, 5 hour, then you go down. Before that, you just gradually keep going up, keep going up. Even you see, okay, the upward momentum is keep decreasing. There's no upward momentum, but you just keep going up. Not sure why. So pretty sure. So wait for the downward confirmation. If it's going up, that's great. Keep going up. We just missed this trade. Missed the trade because it does not retest to ENA 21. So I would not go long. That's so simple. But they go out a little bit and retest. Maybe after the trend line will, the ENA 21 will catch up with the trend line. You retest the trend line, perfect. The defending trend line and ENA 21, everything right there, and shows upward momentum. And that's where I can go into a long trade. So keep going up. Let me check my email. Ah, oops. Oh, it shows the covering candle. That's good. That's good. That's great. See if we can cover this one. I mean, it close above this line. Let's see. What about yes? Oh, yes, it's still respecting this line. So anytime you can bump up. No, cannot go short. Unless it obviously break out and close, stabilize underneath this line. Obviously. But at this time, then it could probably be defended by this line. So waiting for the long confirmation. Oh, looks like okay, the confirmation I'm waiting is right there. Let me see. 713. Um Something like this. Sell. And if I want to trace this one, mhm, assuming that you will retest to here, you will always retest, right? See, you get defended by ENA 9. Yes, get defended by ENA 9. See if you can really retest around here, but this shows some more downward. Oh, it looks like ENA 9 is still defending. What about 3 minute? Oh, 3 minute already outpaced. Yeah, let's get 1 micro and test. Yeah, this is consolidation and keep moving down. Oh, ES is already back test and cover previous downward candle, but NQ is just so small, so weak. It looks like I can go short at ES. See the NQ, there is some divergence, but none of them break out. If things are not break out, then does not mean too much. But for 3 minute, he already shows some intention to coming close. This is like a dong 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 micro minor RSI divergence. I will put it this way: minor RSI divergence. One, one, two, three. Okay, three divergence. So good enough. For 5 minutes, it's a micro RSI divergence, but it's too micro. It's not an evidence of some solid evidence. Let's see if there's a momentum downward candle to really make the ENA 9 and ENA 21 cross. This is actually the signal I'm waiting for confirmation. And yeah, my entry price is here. That's not good. Ideally, it's supposed to be here. Oh, ENA 21, it bounced back. Oh God. Yeah, just let it retest and see how far it can go. ES is trying to push up again. NQ seems covering the previous one. It could probably retest to here. Oh, it covers. That means this is a retest and uptrend resumes. Ooh, get trap. Yeah, as I reaches to this level and bounce back, has been verified multiple times. Hmm. And at this time, hmm. Looks like ENA9 is if becomes a defense for seller. Does it cover? Oh yeah. I would like to see if this one, 2 more minutes. Probably we go short at the bottom. I think it's going out of the range, but okay, gonna retest. Mm-hmm. It's gonna retest the trend line. Is that correct? But this is the trend line for 15 minutes. It's more powerful. This is the trend line for 5 minutes. You step out of the trend line. CES again. CES. ES chart. It retest, but it could be a fake breakout. Oh yes, it's 5 minute. So it has different pacing. 5 minute shows downward side. Let's put one limit order here. If you retest to here, then I'll get into the trade. See, yes, 5 minute. If ENA 9 is still the effective defense. To go short at the uptrend is very intimidating. Just trade a reversal. Oh, it's so small, this one. So chances are that you're gonna go up, right? But yes, shows go down. The intention to go down. Is this gonna finish micro cup something reverse cup something like this? 12. See if you can break out this and finish this reverse cup setup. I think you are trying to. Oh, hmm. I don't like this long rejection line. When this confirmation happens, I should probably like be more conservative and set the limit order here, rather than adjust, eventually be here. That's almost the bottom. Go short at the bottom. I don't like this. Go short at the top of this micro setup. Yes, just cover. Go down, push, cover. NQ looks like it's trying to go up. It's very hesitant to go down. But yes, you lead the future trend. If you go down, then NK will follow. So just check your performance. See this one. It get pushed back. So now it's still sideways. There's no conclusion. And sellers trying again. Push down. 1 more minute for the 5 minute candle. Mhm. Okay, come on. There are the three like RSI divergence. And you don't go down. and you are in the resistance level. You don't go down. You step out of the trend line. It shows ever decreasing upward momentum. Come on, just go down. No excuses. Hmm. Hmm. Very difficult to train. Still no conclusion. Still sideways. Cannot add position at this in this situation. I want to see the clear winner, like either it close or it close something. If it close, then I start the recover plan. If it's something, then I just set up the trading stop loss, only 2 micro. That's it. If it retest to here, then maybe I can increase the size to 3 micro. Looks like ENA 21 is effective defensive. And okay, sideways at this time. Unfortunately, my entry price, average entry price is in the middle and go short. This is like gambling. Oh, it goes up. This is like gambling. Okay, it triggers my complimentary order one. Oh no, a little bit. No, it does not trigger. Come on. I think it's gonna trigger and eventually arrive here if you're gonna go up. But it seems like it's still sideways. And this is the upper bound of the sideways. Hmm. Not comfortable with theta. So once I have some benefit, I'm gonna quit. Ready to quit anytime. Go, go, go. So ES is trying to go down. It gets defended by ENA9. Only ENA9 can defend you. Okay. The downward momentum is not that obvious. Yeah. It seems like ENA 21 is buyer defending. ENA9 is seller defending. Oh, finally, I make some profit. Oh, I don't even have time to. I just want to see close, very stable right there. Okay, at least I make 14. Goodbye. Sideways. Oh, don't trade during sideways. No trade. Yeah. That could means another good trade, good trend. See, it's keep going down. But my principle is just don't trade during sideways, just quit. Something, something. See, it comes back. Huh. Shit. 11. That's not bad. Okay, it comes back. Let's see. Trend line on yes. Trend line on yes. Oh, damn. It's so hard to draw the trend line. So, you're going to join a trend channel. Trend channel. We will see the divergence somewhere around here. So it tests. If it upward, that means that okay, this 15-minute trend line is effective. Then you're gonna pop the price action to pop the market to the upside. Keep moving up. But if it goes down, I mean the yes goes down, something something. That means that means then this is a fake breakout. Fake breakout. But how come fake breakout consolidate? It's just it should move down. So it is consolidate. It's very difficult to say. But whenever this is just sideways, just leave it. Leave the trade. We'll see. Three, two. So actually, yes, it's still sideways. It's like triangle, something. And NQ is sideways. So yeah, you cannot conclude anything when both guys and both are sideways like this. Oops. Mm-hmm. Let's see if it really goes down and not get rejected. If it is, yes, breakout. And NQ still in the range. So we set a limit order, trade NQ, assuming that NQ will always backtest. Backtest to here. The middle range, something. Come on. Backtest a little bit. Pick us up. I mean, our entry price is alive with ENA 9, which is very defense. Okay, you're gonna aggregate to the peak, I guess. So it's back, but it shows a trend to go down. Something, 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 something like this. Okay, it looks like it moves up. It moves out of the range. It will be very risky to go short at the bottom. Why? Whatever, it will retest. And this ENA 9 has not really crossed the ENA 21. Even it crossed, we have a lot of opportunity. But so this time, just wait. We're gonna retest to the upper bar of the triangle, I guess. See if this is valid. Oops, oops. Big momentum to the upside. Maybe I should cancel my order. Oh, now we got into the trade. So we'll see yes if we close about this. Mm-hmm. Oh, so it continues the sideway actually. We still cannot conclude anything. Oh, right. I think this now shows a downward or something. It's something like this, but I'm not sure. This could probably be perceived as a flag consolidation pattern. Hmm. Let's see. Yes. NQ, you cannot see anything. It's just sideway area. Nothing to see. Yes, it's just flag. And see if we break out this flag, and NQ is break out this. Okay, I like this long rejection. Rejects to the downside. And close, finish the ENA 21. Even it's a green candle. See this candle. Now it's still sideways, cannot conclude anything. I hate this. 5 minute, okay, 1 minute. 1 minute for this chart. So if it cannot close above the upper bound of this trend line, then that means the sideways gonna continue, but it will not continue like this. It will break out when you aggregate to the peak. It's more like gambling. Because when you go to the peak, it can go up. If this is a flag, it can go down. And assuming that this is reversal. See, buyers is trying another time to attack. Okay, new candle, 5-minute new candle. It shows like upper bound is still effective, going down. Going down more, breakout. Right. It's almost the peak, so it's time to break out to the downside. Come on, break out. So that I can break out, obviously, I can draw a trading stop loss. And 15-minute trend line is defending here for NQ. I don't like this. For when ES reach this trend line, probably I need to quit. Need to quit the trade. So probably for NQ is somewhere around here. See if it's defended by ENA 21. I mean, for NQ is already breakout of ENA 21 and looks like the ENA 9 and ENA 21 is trying to cross. ENA 9 is trying to cross the ENA 21. We need to wait until it finish and the next candle commit half, like almost done. Then we can set something. I think okay, it breaks down. It breaks down. So the reasonable a reasonable take profit will be probably here. While I cannot make add any something right there. I just want to make sure every single trade gonna be profitable rather than make a lot of more money, control my patience. I'm not sure where to set the trading stop loss. Trading alive with ENA 21. It could probably cause it's just breakout. So it could probably retest to ENA 21 anytime and kick us out. 23 points. Okay. Set the buy order here. This is the stop loss. Yeah, whenever we don't know where to set, maybe we just check 5-minute. Oh, 5-minute is just breakout. Nothing we can see. Oh, we're gonna bounce back. It's gonna bounce back. So you're gonna retest. Where are we stop loss? Oh, here. It's a little bit dangerous to get kick out because it will retest ENI 21 anytime. At this time, it's not that safe. So probably we can move a little bit above to ENA 9. Make it safe. So if you retest to here, probably the this is just a retest and it's ending. And we are okay to leave the trade. But if it's still like trying to go down and we get kicked out by the simple retest, that means we are not setting the trading stop loss correctly. We are not confident enough. Okay, it's close about VNA 21. So what now? Look at the next candle. 1 more minute. Maybe bounce back. Also, this is dangerous. Yes, will bounce back, and this will bounce back. So I'm trading a little bit high. Uh, because the momentum, see, this is so big, this is little. So the momentum, the downward momentum keeps decreasing. But if it keep going down, that means this is consolidation. This this does not mean the momentum becomes decreasing. This is just consolidation. So may allow here. Keep in mind this is 3 minute chart, and this is 5 minutes. So yeah, we set the upper bound of the previous candle for 3 minutes. That's safe enough. When things become something like this, then we trading at the top of this candle. Oh, what's going on? Yeah, this is consolidation. I'm pretty sure. See this one? Flushing to the downside. Keep going. Anytime you will bounce back. Hey, yes, it's coming close to this 15-minute trend line. So how come it's so close? It's so fast. So maybe we should take profit right here, right here. Rather than here. 33 minutes. One more minute. This is 5 minutes, so like 3 more minutes. This is like 1 more minute. We can see the next candle. This is relax, consolidation, stretch, relax, stretch, something, something. So probably we need to move our stop loss to here. Oh, it bounced back. It started test. Will kick us out. Don't kick me out. Keep going down. Come on. Yeah, it just retest to a previous resistance support. This is the previous support, and this is now the resistance. This is a micro trend. Perfect. Textbook. Don't kick me out. Seriously. You wanna retest that ENA9? Oh, kick me out. Kick me out. Not fun, this game. And after you kick me out, you keep going down. God, Jesus. Mm. If I not that, if I can be more confident, I just set it here. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking at this time. I just set a trading stop loss right here rather than here. Or maybe some buffer right here, somewhere here. But we'll see this candle. The market fools me. How come the market fools me? It's not funny. But it has fall below the 15 minute, but the ES is coming close to the 15-minute trend line. So be careful. Let's see the 5 minute retest. Wait for the compression. Get kicked out. 82. Not easy to make money. Oh, oh, I already make 356 today. More than anyone. More than the sum of the previous 2 days. Yeah, let's see. Looks like this is a consolidation. The market is not sure where to go, but it has not retested back to ENA 9, so I'm pretty something. Looks like gonna go. When it exceeds the lower low, we will add some buffer. Add some position. So take profit will probably be here. Oh, oh, it reverse. It's trying to reverse. Don't fool me like this. Come on. I don't like this long rejection line. Buy. 4. Oh, you got rejected. Wait a minute. Yes, it's in this battle zone, but it has not triggered this. It's coming close, so it gets rejected at 15 minute downtrend, which means it retests here. So probably there was a big upside and resume the uptrend. I will see. Then for this one, I will be very conservative. Only get here, then I'm out. Go here again, I'm out. Hey, sideways, sideways. Hey, no sideways. Something here. Yep. Hey, I don't like the long rejection line. Come on, show some downward momentum. On the other hand, I will probably set a trading stop loss here. I think it's going to continue because this is consolidation. Okay, Terra mini consolidation. Oh, 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 oh. Maybe a reversal happens here. Okay, this is reversal. Yeah, this is the line. Keeps going up. What about, okay, it defends, it rejects. So get rejected by ENA 9, that's good. And for ES, okay, get rejected. I think that's downward. If we close covering this, then maybe probably I need to quit. Come on, yes, I just check. I just try NQ based on your chart. Oh, buyers are trying again. But this is like a reversal, 2 star and 1 solid candle, something like this. Trying to attack again. Force back. Force back. So I'm gonna be very defensive. Yeah, if you arrive here, I will quit. Oh, this 5 minute chart, 5 minute candle is still going up. If we close above ENA 21, then I'll quit. Because the position is too big. So I need to be conservative a little bit. It looks like somebody is defending. I think seller is defending ENA 9. Oh, resume. Dow trend resume. Okay, I like this one. At least you want to arrive here. If this is your retest and bounce back. Buy something. A. So keep rejecting. I like this long candle for 5 minutes. Keep rejecting and push down. Oh, if you keep going down, then probably you will arrive here, I guess. If it's a reversal, you keep pushing back. Oh, doom. Oh, I'm gonna kick out. Miss a stop loss. Like since ENA 9, ENA 21 is self-defense, a lot of people, a lot of sellers are defending here. Oh, it's so small. This dangerous, dangerous. Why is so small? And look at yes. Okay, going down. Okay, going down. Oh, If after this consolidation it keeps going up, that means that this is a trend reversal. Otherwise, if the Dow trend continues, then it should go down after this consolidation and retest. Ooh, dangerous. Come on. We still cannot conclude that the Dow trend resumed at this time because it's still above the 0.6. This is 0.6 and it gets rejected. That means this is just a retest for this micro uptrend. At least it should cover here to prove that seller is in control. Oh, ES has already, oh, almost. Come on, come on, push down, yes. Look at you. Yeah, that's why I'm so confident that NK will follow. Okay, push down. Almost kick me out. So dangerous. Okay, yes, keep going down, keep going down. Get some get some battle here around here. Now it retests the ENA 9 and ENA 21. Nice. Keep going down. Just keep going down. And what about 5 minute? Okay, 5 minute. It also backtests ENA 9 and ENA 9 is almost cross. For EN for 3 minutes, then it's already cross. Oh, it gets defending here. Hmm. Look at this candle. One more 3 minute. Okay, keeps going down. Resume downtrend. Yes. But if it's going up, then probably I need to quit. Okay, ENA 9 is defending. ENA 9 is defending. Sell it. Yes, I need to get more patience to sell it. There is a micro trend line right there. It's lower low, lower low, lower low for 3 minute candle. Lower low, lower low, lower low. So seller is still in control, I guess. Hmm. Oh, 50 minute. Bump up. Okay. A home check. What's going? It resumes bump up. Get defended by this. So keeps going up. Why 15 minutes is just suddenly? Because another market opens and a lot of balls got into the train. How much I lose? But just for the train. 170. Oh no. Sell. Like, eight? Hmm. Okay, I get triggered. Oh, I should not look at like 3 minutes to think of the entry. But it's A is already big enough. Oh, it keeps going up. That's not good. Oh my God, who can save me? Yes, almost reached the peak. It's like 3 minutes and something something. Why on 50, 1250 is suddenly has so huge? Hmm. 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 Look at yes, it gets rejected at the peak. Yes, that's not move. Okay, it triggers my train. And next one will be here. No, will be here. Fine. It will probably like trigger this one. Okay, it's going up. That's rejected. 5 minutes. Resume. Mm-hmm. It seems like ENA 21 is an effective defending. Hmm. Will trigger my trade. Okay, trigger. Bam, bounce back. ENA 21 defended. Oh, it's not a defense. It's gonna be 4 to drag it to the half. This is a very defense. No, keeps going down. Okay, bias review. It's so volatility. It's so volatile. That is 2, 4. Okay, review. At least you arrive here, equal height, right? For 5 minutes. Okay, green, 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 keep going. I guess I don't need this. Just go straight to here. Arrive at equal height again. Like double top, something. Almost, almost. Keep going. Almost. Keep going. Hmm. Wait a minute. I'm gonna set stop loss here. Can I? Oh. Keep going, keep going. Looks like some resistance here. Should I adjust my price target? The price target is the previous solid candle. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I think I should make I should fight back. Revenge trading. Daily PNL 421. Oh, it's not 484. Okay. Okay, $16. Almost there. $16. Previous is like $9. $9. What about trade? Something. 76, 79. I lose 179 and make 176. Okay, I 60 something, so I make more. I make even more. Let me see. 11. Oh, stop loss and take profit. Stop loss, I think, take profit. Wow, not easy. Okay, 64, around $64. Yeah, around 400. Oh, it's so goddamn hard, but at least I make 400 today. Okay, market close. It's okay. I don't make too much. It's just that I don't lose money. I'm green every day. I admit that for the last two trades, I'm a little bit like uh revenge. So something I need to fix. So that's all for today.